Long time no see, gang. It is a Monday afternoon. We are at the fucking garage. What the hell is wrong with my shit? Is it recording? All right. This might be weird. I was just looking through my abundance of like GoPro videos here, and I totally forgot I shot this day, so I'm just gonna upload it just because I don't want to lose this. This is actually a pretty cool day. This is when yeah, see, I'm posting car related. It's still a car channel. No, it's sorry for the mess, guys. Jeez, my hair is disgusting. But no, this is when I did the install of lowering springs for my Corolla. I totally forgot I shot this day. I thought I only did pictures, but I did do a vlog, or tried to do a vlog. But this is the reason why I stopped vlogging, because the Hero 8 turned me off so much. It was just giving me problems. But now that I have the 11, and this thing's like 10 times better, hopefully I can make you know, smoother. It's been going smooth lately, and I'm loving this thing. So smoother videos to push out, and you know, more memories to capture on this thing. So anyways, let's get back to the editing of when I lowered my Corolla. This is like a weird time break, but yeah, let me just upload this real quick and then we'll go back to current time. All right, sorry, and let's get it.
Alright, because fucking my wife, like,
This is Franco, our newest addition to the fam. He has a beautiful FDRX7. Man, dude, there's so much to catch up on, everybody, bro. Because the last time I posted was when we went to Jollibee on the bikes. Man, Andy was there in Doss. Dude, we went to Jollibee, that new location up north.
oh, the one by the fucking Philippine embassy?
No, not in the city. There's another one. Where was it? Not Skokie, but
there's a third
Glen
location?
Ellen?
yeah, Glen Ellen or something. There's a third one, bro.
The third location.
Yeah. It's like a little bit more north. We tried that. It's small. Like, we were like all like cooped up, and like I'm sitting here next to him. I'm just like, we're like, there's just so many people. I think it just opened too.
I just went through the drive-through there. I'm like, okay. At least they're hiring non-Filipinos.
Yeah, right.
So, you know, I'm like,
but
good for that.
today's video is oh, actually, hold on. We got Frank. This is Franco's too. Beautiful Lexus GX. We got Andy's 400 because his Civic is down for the count right now. But we're waiting on another homie, Romel, with his Type R. But as you can tell by the amount of crap I got in the back, what are we doing today, Franco?
Don't ask me.
We lowering.
I'm just assisting.
We're lowering the car and possibly putting on the lights for my reflectors. But I don't know if I updated you guys on this, but I have a new wing. It's been that long since I fucking posted anything. And I got the roof racks back on for mountain biking season. And the clearance is like perfect. So yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna eat first though. Damn, me and the boys did this so fast. Usually I work on my cars by myself, but dude, this thing's up in the air, got all wheels off. Got the dog chilling. We're gonna start getting to work on the front suspension with the lads. So what I was saying, bro, look right here. We can get to it. We just have to tilt this up.
No, but the back one's gonna be a bitch.
Yes, that is gonna be a bitch. But I have a way to get it. But yeah. Whew. All right. I don't know. I'm not gonna be able to do this all the time, but let me put it down for a second and give you guys progress updates as I go. But
Open rush.
all right, me and the gang. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Bringing this on intensive.
Franco working on the two studs down there. Dude, we're going swimmingly right now. Honestly, this is great because usually I work on my cars by myself, and it took me like 2 days to do suspension on the old car, the blue one. But with the homies helping out, man, we going at it. Look at this. But yeah, man, the front should go swimmingly, and we'll be all right. Look, getting my suit a little dirty now. You know what I mean? But yeah, man, this is great. Got some good ass homies, you know what I mean? Yes, sir. Oh, quick update. I'm basking this one right now. We're about to hit these. I did it with the WD-40.
Hold this. Can you hold this?
Franco is working on trying to get this rusted ass fucking thing out there. And then I guess what I'll start doing is, that's so sad, man. The end links, they're rusty. I don't know how, but anyways, what we're lowering it on today is gonna be Eibach Pro kits. I was going back and forth between sport lines or pro. I ended up just doing pro because I daily mine, and these tires are meaty, and I don't want to bang up my fenders. So yeah, I'm gonna get started on the rears, and then by the time I'm done with the rears, hopefully I can help them up with the fronts, because I knew the fronts were gonna be a big issue. So yeah, keep you guys updated.
Then fucking my body like was going through all the adrenaline.
From what?
Update, the boy Ramel came through. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, sausage.
God damn it, he hasn't eaten, bro.
I haven't ate in like 14 hours.
Damn, bro, you talking so hard right here, bro. Look at that fitment, bro.
I don't even need the color now.
Sheesh. Ooh. Bro, I steady sneezing, bro. Oh my god. Franco's a G, and Andy putting out the front right. Quick update. Right strut out.
That next one will be a bit.
That left strut, I'm just working on the rears right now. I got the front, or the back left. I'm gonna put the spring in there, and then help the boys out on the front. Yeah, we getting there, baby. Quick update with the boys. We having trouble with the motherfucking.
This 2023 car rusted as shit, bro.
Dude, that's crazy. As usual, see, I was always worried about the fronts. The fronts are always the hard part. But this fucking, what is it, the Allen key? Oh, it sucks. Huh? Yeah, dude, these, I'm gonna replace them with the light up ones. I got light up ones.
We're gonna do that before we finish putting the wheels on it.
Yeah. So these are gonna light up eventually. And then I'm gonna go for a quick beer run for the boys. Because man, this man out of it right now. Man about to get that emergency.
Hell yeah, brother. Thank you.
Oh, pop that shit right now, bro. Pop that shit.
I might be wet.
Show the people how to do it, bro.
I don't know how to do it. I don't do.
Yeah, go in the garage because the wind's gonna blow away the powder, man.
I got you, bro. I got you. I'll cover.
my car.
I'll cover, bro. I'll cover.
Oh. My throat.
Yeah. Oh, let's go. Yeah. Yeah.
Let's go, baby. Got enough for another
3
run.
guys, 1 Ramel.
Choke me, daddy.
Yes, sir. That's it. Hell yeah. just a dry scoop, bro. Dry.
Doppelganger. In LA.
All right, well, my man got the works done. This man's letting me whip the GX. So we'll get a beer run. Hey, for real, I'm gonna get the cantaritos, for real. If you guys haven't had those, it's fire. All right, I'm gonna get the cantaritos. I'll be right back.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Romel back again. Oh shit! Oh, back at it again with another vlog, another vid. And currently, we are stuck. Stuck. Watch this. Watch this. Watch this. You see that right there? Oh wait, you need some light. Ah, yeah, right there. You see that? We're stuck, baby. Can't get that nut off. You know what I'm saying? Me on the regular. You know what I'm saying? But we're gonna update you again in like 5-10 minutes.
We fucking did it, bro. To the gang right here, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Man, ended up fucking torching the crap out of that thing, dude. 2023 and it's rusty, man. Woo! We done did it, bro. Oh, man.
We're not even fucking done yet, bro. Still gotta grab these springs. The rears are completely done. That was like the easiest. I swear that was like the breeziest part. I already knew we were gonna have to spend time on the fronts, but really happy those finally came out. Oh my god. Hey, where's the bolt for this one?
Ooh, the ABN.
Where's the what?
The bolt for this one?
The bolts?
Yeah.
It's on the orange. The orange.
Oh
thing.
yes.
And then Andy soaked it out. Right here.
Oh
We soaked it in
nice.
WD-40.
Yes.
The bolt, the nut on that one. Put it in there.
Which one?
The nut.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Put it in here.
Dude, I'm gonna burn my shit though. Hold on, where's my gloves?
No, just use the towel. Just use the towel.
Use the towel?
Grab it with the towel.
Oh shit.
If you don't mind, because I have blood on it.
That's fine, bro. The blood of my homies.
Just toss it in there.
Blood, sweat, and tears, and sore muscles, all put into this car by my homies. You already know the struggles, man. I'm gonna go drink a beer. This is crazy. Alright, life update. Romel back at it again. Look how far we got, baby. Fucking boy. Yeah, we're there.
I just gotta do that one.
Yeah, write my name on the car real quick, baby. Jeez. Yes, sir. Ew. And now we gotta work on that. Nah, we're not done yet, but you know, gotta roll with the punches. Yes, sir. Look at that. Ooh.
Faster!
It's like I fucking snapped the bolt. Look at that.
With feeling!
Get the back one. Look at the torque on that. Oh, that's like hella loose. Yo, grab me that one, So updates right now, you know what I mean? We got the suspension on, we just gotta put the wheels. That one's probably gonna be a bitch. Cause we gotta grab the end link. And yeah. And then we gotta do the banner still, bro. Oh, I forgot about that, truthfully.
Banner's not that important. That banner's a car, man. So
We're doing engine swap too, right?
Yeah, Bruce ain't it that important.
Yeah, honestly, the banner's gonna be easy as fuck. It's gonna be lightweight.
Banner's gonna be the hardest. That's gonna be we have to figure out how we're gonna origami this Romel's.
Dead ass. Damn.
Cover that sensor. You're gonna need the sensor.
All right. Yeah, baby. All right. Well, that was your update for now, baby. Man, quick update. We got it done, all 4 corners. Gucci, honestly, like I said before, the fronts really were the hardest ones, but we got that down. Look at all the hands of the people.
If you need a freaking ramp just to get out of the fucking jacks.
I don't think so, bro, honestly.
Well, whatever.
But we can do it just to be safe. Thank you to the brother Franco. Whew, the boys, man, dude. Fucking gosh, if I could suck y'all meats right now, I fucking will do it, bro. Shit. Oh man, this is dope. But yeah, cleaning the wheels right now, and we're gonna slap it on, and we're gonna drink to some cantaritos. And actually, just kidding, maybe in another video, well, technically I'll still do it today, but the next upload, mid-pipe on the Type R. Oh shit. But yeah, we'll probably get to work on the FL5 maybe after we get this car out. Hey guys, I'm back. Final update, lowering the car. Got the race ramps on. Look at them wheels.
I gotta torque them bitches.
Look at the gap.
Let me know when you can get the
Oh yeah.
the shits off.
Keep going. You know.
Then you got the monster truck stands in the back.
3-inch lift. Let's go.
GRC Marizo at Instagram. I'm coming for you.
That point that you're jacking is more on the right side. That's why the left is not rising up. Keep
That's
going.
fine.
There you go. There you go.
Pretty cool. Oh my, here we go.
Alright, you ready?
Go slow.
Just drop it.
Is there there's no more jack points,
Send
right?
it.
Yeah.
Hey, what's that? Okay, never mind. Oh my god. I start jumping in the car. Nah, it'll settle and it's not gonna be too much. Just a little bit. Honestly, bro, hold on, dude. Even right now, that's like way lower than my stock. I can already tell. Just a little bit, just a little bit. Oh my. Alright, time to strip.
Funniest pack, bro.
Thoughts?
Horrible.
What'd you say?
Took forever.
Took forever? Horrible?
I just got here.
Oh. But it's on now. Thanks to the lads. Oh my god. Ramel, thoughts? Franco, thoughts on the drop?
Beautiful, but you need skirts.
Yeah, I need skirts, bro.
Skirts, man.
Bro, you
Skirts.
gotta do before or after.
I know. Damn.
Just put the OEM back once we get the before.
Yeah.
Oh, I know why I put those in the front. Because these were curbed. I curbed these on accident. That's why they were over there, but it doesn't matter. Damn, dude, the drop looks really good. Oh my god. Couldn't have done it without the homies, though. All right, next. We are doing Romel's mid pipe.
So we're just replacing that.
It's gonna be
where
lit.
the clamp is from here.
Yeah.
Is it? Oh, not bad. I was worried with the rust.
Didgeridoo. Update on Romel's mid pipe. Here's the new one. Same exact one as the one that we're replacing, but this fat dent, bro. Oh my god. Tell the people what you hit, man.
A pole. Nah, bro, I don't even know what it was. It was like a square piece of like metal.
Just on the road.
On the road, bro.
Wild.
And,
And that thing
black,
just
so
boom.
The asphalt was all black, and that freaking pipe was black. So
She.
That shit hard.
At least it didn't pull like a hole in it, bro.
I know, right?
Like this thing held up. It's titanium?
Ah, it's steel.
Just steel?
Yeah.
Shit. This is a pretty easy install here. You're just gonna link it up to the end there and then our exhaust. Oh my god, look at that. Ooh. 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 Ooh.
Even though there's like a